So here is how you build a Destiny Prime Engram in Blender 5.1. So you're going to start with the plane, you're going to go into geometry nodes, and from there you're going to get rid of the group input, and you're going to add an icosphere. From there, you're going to get the geometry matched up, and you're going to add in a dual mesh node, and then you're going to add in a transform geometry node, and then you're going to change the size of the engram down to 0.3. From there, back in the 3D viewport, you're going to apply the geometry nodes. Going on into edit mode, and you're going to grab all the faces and you're going to inset. And then you're going to extrude the faces along normals and then inset again and extrude faces along normals. And then from there, you're going to add in a bevel modifier and you're going to turn it up to 6 and then apply the modifiers. From there, going to go into the shading tab, and with a new principal BSDF, we're going to take the color right to the right there. And then from there, you're going to add in a mix shader, add it on the noodle there, and then you're going to add in a glass shader. From there, you're going to change the roughness down to 0.25. Then you're going to go to the transmission and take the weight all the way up to 1. And then from the emissions tab, you're going to add in a Fresnel node. And then from the Fresnel node, you're going to add in a color ramp. And then with the color ramp, you're going to take the black all the way to halfway, and you're going to turn the color beautifully over to purple. And then you're going to duplicate the engram and shrink it right down for the internal golden piece, and then you're going to give it its own material. From there, on the color ramp, you're going to change that color over to yellow, and then you're going to change the emission color over to yellow. And then hit on the render tab, and then you'll see that it's starting to come together. And just make a few adjustments as you need. You might want to change the color on this one here, or you might want to go back to the smaller engram and increase the power of the yellow emission. Just drag back that purple. And there you go. There is a Destiny Prime Engram in Blender 5.